In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Salesforce integration in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot, what to click, and what to expect during installation so you can connect the two platforms with confidence. Start in your HubSpot account on the main dashboard. Look toward the top of the screen for the small gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open your account's administrative controls. This area is where all major configuration lives, so it's the perfect place to manage integrations. On the left-hand sidebar, find Integrations. If you have a lot of menu items, use the search at the top of the sidebar and type Integrations to jump there quickly. This section is designed to help you connect HubSpot with other tools you use every day. Next, open Connected Apps. This page shows everything your account is currently linked to. It's useful to take a quick look here first to make sure you're not duplicating anything and to understand what's already running in the background. Now, click Go to App Marketplace. The HubSpot App Marketplace is a curated catalog of vetted connectors. From here, you'll use the search bar to find what you need. In the search field, type Salesforce. Keep it simple, just the product name. From the results, click Salesforce. You should see the official listing that's built and maintained for HubSpot's ecosystem. Opening the listing lets you review key details like features, data flow summaries, and any special requirements. It's a good moment to confirm it matches your needs and that you have the right level of access in both HubSpot and Salesforce. When you're ready, click Install. During the installation process, you may be prompted to review and accept permissions. This is normal and ensures the connector can sync the records you expect. Make sure you're signed in with the appropriate permissions in both systems and keep your browser pop-up blocker off so any authorization windows can appear. If your organization uses a sandbox in Salesforce, you'll typically be able to choose that environment during install. Many teams also designate a dedicated integration user in Salesforce for consistency and clearer audit trails. If that applies to you, have those credentials ready. After you click Install and complete the prompts, HubSpot will finalize the connection. You can then access the integration settings from Connected Apps to review defaults, confirm the connection status, and prepare for any follow-up configuration your team plans to do. That's it. You clicked the settings icon, opened integrations, checked Connected Apps, went to the app marketplace, searched for Salesforce, opened the listing, and installed it. Thanks for watching, and you're now set to move forward with your HubSpot and Salesforce connection.